This video shows you how to draw a Brontosaurus. You're going to need a pencil, a pen and an eraser. Okay, start just slightly over to one side with an ellipse, a blob, an oval, an American football, a rugby ball. And then here's a tip. Look, just get a piece of scrap paper and work out the width of that. And then we want one width, and then we want about 3/4. And at this end we want 1, 2, and maybe a bit like that. On the top here we're going to come down slightly and then start going up, and then round about here we want to have this sort of circular teardroppy kind of shape like that. And then this is going to come down and up, and there's quite a long thin whippy end to the tail there. And then we want this long thin elegant neck coming down like that, and a long thin elegant tail coming out like that. We're going to want to have a leg coming forward and a leg coming back, and then we're going to want kind of a bendy leg. That's the knee that will come into the back and then down, and then another one going forward. This is a very long, thin drawing. Now I'm going to start up at this end here, and I'm going to draw like that. And I'm going to draw some bits of grass, weeds, something like that the Brontosaurus has been eating. Let's put an eye in there as well while we're at it. And then we want to have a kind of a bottom jaw, and then we'll have some more bits on the other side like that. Now you can move this around if it's going to help you. And I'm going to draw all the way along like that, and then up and over the back, smooth-ish. Well, it's a big thing, so you're not going to see many bumps and lumps on the skin. So I'm just going to do something like that. And then I think I'm going to draw the legs now. So the front leg is going to come down there, sort of like that. And there's 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to put 4 little toes on the end. There are 5, but the other one is hidden around the back there. And then I'm going to draw this leg here going 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's kind of all you see. And then we'll just bring that up there like that, because you're only going to see 4 there because the other one is round the back. Now we can draw all the way down to here, and then this will be the belly coming underneath, and then this great long whippy tail gets thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner until it just disappears at the end. Then we're going to want a leg on the other side that's sort of going backwards like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll see this one coming in there like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this would be a really good time to erase all those pencil lines. And if you haven't pressed too hard, you should be able to erase those lines really easily. And people will go, how did you plan that out so well to get it right in the middle of the page nicely like that? You're a real artist, they'll say. Now we're going to put some sort of wrinkles and things in there like that. And I think we're just going to put these little sort of wrinkly marks like that. They can just fade out, and we'll have some down there as well. We're going to have they're little dashes, dots and dashes. And here we got some shade, but we'll put some extra dots and dashes in down there like that. And there, and little dots and dashes, and we'll maybe put some little whooshy lines there as well. And I'm just going to do some bits of grass. So these are just little dashes and flicks of lines which just make it look like it's grass. And then here we could maybe draw something. Oh, I tell you what, let's do something like that. And you can find there's another one of my videos. Well, I've got quite a few videos showing you how to draw prehistoric plants and things as well. So we could have those there. And maybe we could have some of those crossed over as well like that. And so we can make this like a bit of a little mini landscape like that. Then all you need to do is colour in your Brontosaurus and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Draw Stuff Real Easy.